Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brad Langdon with MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard boat. As you enter the starboard side, you'll see stadium seating throughout. The helm seats do reverse, forward, and back. You have a nice dash storage area, a beautiful clean helm, woven infinity vinyl flooring. Walking forward, you have a large spacious seating area with grab rails and stereo speakers. Nice pleated upholstery. A large tall windshield with a very expansive bimini top. In-floor storage. Bucket style seating for the helm. Self-bailing deck. Plenty of cup holders everywhere you look. Storage abound in the Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard engine, ample aft seating for the sandbar. If you'd like to see this boat, stop by MarineMax Stuart or give me a call, Brad Langdon, 704-215-3599.